Okay, long division of algebra. It can be written in either this format, where you have a number over a number, or it can be written there with a division sign. So you remember back to your primary school, where you did long division, and you're going to have the bar, and then in the bar you have the number that you're dividing into, which is x squared plus 5x plus 6, and you're dividing by x plus 3. Now, the first step, step 1, divide the x into the x squared. So x into x squared gives me x times. So x by x gives me x squared. Okay, so step 1, divide x into first number, which in this case is the x squared. Write your answer on top. Okay. Step 2. I'll get better at keeping the camera focused. Step 2. You multiply answer by both numbers outside bar, which is here. So this is your answer, x. That gets multiplied by both of these numbers outside the bar. So x multiplied by x gives me x squared. X multiplied by a 3 gives me a plus 3x. So we've step 1 and step 2 done. Go back over them again. Step 1, divide x into x squared, write my answer on top, which is x. Step 2, multiply my answer by the two things outside. So x by x gives me x squared. X by 3 gives me 3x. Okay, we're now on to step 3. Change signs, and then you either add or subtract. Okay, so I change signs here. That becomes a minus, and that becomes minus. Now it's always only the bottom line. Okay, so x squared, take away an x squared, they cancel each other out. This is now 5x, take away 3x, so that gives me 2x. Okay, if you remember back to your long division in primary school, you bring down the next number. So this number gets brought down here. So that's step 4. Okay, and then you start again. So repeat. So I'm back to step 1. I divide x into this. So x into 2x gives me a plus 2. I multiply the plus 2 by the x, which gives me a 2x. I multiply the plus 2 by the 3, which gives me a plus 6. So if you look, step 1, I divided the x into the first number, so the x into the first number, and I wrote my answer on top. Okay, then at step 2, multiply your answer by both numbers outside the bar. My answer